morning, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and nandito tayo ngayon sa Zone Valley Estates in Antipolo City to show you this Bilevel Fairway property na merong lot area na 989 square meters with a floor area of 297 square meters. So since bi-level siya, ito yung mga usual na properties dito sa Sun Valley, yung mukhang bungalow pero may level pa sa ilalim. So nandito tayo obviously sa labas, and on my right is our gate sa garahe. And this is actually, you can control this with a remote. So kung tinatamad kayong bumaba para buksan, you can do that with a remote. So papasok tayo ngayon dito sa ating pedestrian gate to see how the place looks like. Okay? Yan. So, upon entering this place, ang una nating papansin is obviously yung bahay. Pero we have a large landscape garden na nakapalibot dito sa ating property. And yung ating garahe na kasya mga 2 cars dito. So, either sedan yung SUV since open space siya. So, open parking siya. Kasyang-kasya naman dyan. And yung ating landscape garden. So, kung meron kayong mga pets, mga dogs, so pwede yung masaya sila dito dahil marami silang space to run and ayan, mag-enjoy dito. And of course, if you have children, mag-enjoy din sila dito. Pero ito yung ating main door. So let's go inside to see what's the inside looks like. Okay, so dito sa ating main door, meron tayong screen door. Open lang natin. And then here's our main door. Meron siyang double lock. Although secure naman dito sa subdivision dahil it's a very private subdivision. Pero if you need extra security, you have a double lock main door here. Okay, so sa ating pagpasok ng ating bahay, we have a powder room here. So ito muna ating tignan. Since powder room siya, yun, yung water fixture lang natin na water closet, yung sink yung nakalagay dito and a mirror. Pero ang maganda dito sa bahay na to is yung theme niya na high ceiling lahat. So it creates illusion na mas malaki pa yung bahay relative to its floor area na 297. So kahit 297 yung floor area niya, dahil high ceiling siya and sobrang daming windows, mas malaki siya tignan sa ating usual na 297 na bahay. So eto ating open space, well, hindi naman open space, parang open layout na ating living area, dining area, and our kitchen. Then obviously, makikita natin sa likod ko yung ating magandang view of the golf course. So since fairway siya, fairway lot meaning parang lote siya nakatapat na isang golf course. Yan. So meron tayong parang drop ceiling sa taas with cove lights para may parang dramatic effect. And then marami din tayong mga pin lights. So kapag gabi, hindi madilim, pero pag umaga, obviously, dahil sobrang daming window, maraming natural light na pumapasok. So, eto muna ating parang living area. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng TV doon sa wall na to. So, kahit gaano kalaki pa yan, kahit 100 inches pa yan, since sobrang laki ng ating wall, kasyang-kasya dyan. And then, ito talaga yung parang main selling point ng bahay is yung view and yung parang privacy ng bahay kasi sobrang laki ng lote and private nga yung subdivision. So, usually mga buyers dito is yung mga retirees. So if you're planning to retire, this is a great place to invest or stay. Yan. So bago tayo pumunta sa ating dining area, meron tayong balcony dito. So if you want to unwind, maybe pagkagising nyo ng umaga, pwede kayo magdala ng kape, tapos inom kayong kape. Yan. Sorry pala sa background na aso kasi may mga dogs sila na dito, nagpapatrol, nagbabantay ng bahay. So, kung narinig lang yung aso, don't mind the dogs na lang. So, pero yun nga, ang ganda ng view ng ating balcony from here. And meron din tayong balcony later na makikita na sa master bedroom. Okay, so dito ating dining area, it's still a very large space. So, kasya dito mga 8 people, depending sa kung ano yung shape nung or gaano kalaki yung dining table nyo. And then here we have our kitchen. Ang maganda dito sa ating kitchen, it's still parang modern looking pa din siya. Tapos we have great high quality materials. So mapapansin natin dito sa ating countertops, it's a big slab of granite. And then lahat, pati yung mga cooktop and yung range natin, high quality. Since yung owner nito is parang parang maselan siya sa mga bagay. So, parang gusto nila mga high quality materials lang yung ginamit nila dito for this house. Yeah. So, ang maganda dito sa ating kitchen is marami kang windows, kaya pag nagluluto ka, parang hindi mo na-feel na nasasakal ka. Kasi nga maraming windows, kaya masarap magluto. And then here we have your very deep sink, and then yung ating, and our faucet, yan, so gawa sa aluminium. And then you also have yun nga, marami tayong counter spaces if you need to put your appliances or you need spaces to cook. And then, meron tayong mga cabinets underneath our countertops. Punta naman tayo dito sa ating master bedroom and bedroom. Pero mapapansin nyo sa aking right, meron tayong staircase leading sa parang lower level. So, make sure to continue watching kasi maganda rin yung ilalim niya. Okay, so dito sa ating parang mini hallway, this one leads to our bedroom and master bedroom. So bago natin puntahan yung master bedroom, tingnan natin yung bedroom dito sa aking kanan. Okay, so for this one is facing the facade of the property. So ang ating property pala is facing east. So maganda to for mga feng shui, ganyan. So tsaka kung mahilig kayo sa morning sun na property, maganda to. Okay, so yun nga, marami pa rin tayong mga large windows, kaya ang dami pa rin natural light na pumapasok. Kaya pag hapon, hindi nyo na kailangan magbukas ng ilaw. Okay, so meron din tayong sarili niyang banyo or our bathroom. And then, high ceiling talaga yung property niya. Sama na natin yung maleta ko, pero high ceiling talaga yung lahat ng kwarto. And then we have our shower dito, rainfall shower na sobrang taas din. And gawa sa aluminium, and then high grade lahat ng ating fixtures. And floor to ceiling din yung ating tiles for the bathroom. So tingnan naman natin yung ating master bedroom. So far, how are you liking this video? Comment down below. Okay, bago pala tayo tumingin sa ating master bedroom, on my right is parang a door leading to the car garage. So if you want a quicker access to go to your rooms, you can do that with a door here. Pero tingnan natin itong master bedroom. May konting ingay din kayo maririnig dahil sa CCTV. Medyo bawal lang namin yan. So may mga CCTV na rin na included. So bawal lang namin galawin. Pero yun, may kasama na CCTV. So meron din tayong sobrang laking built-in cabinets dito. And then obviously yung ating balcony and our windows. So yung ating windows, combination of awning windows, stationary windows, and sliding windows. Okay, so bago natin tignan yung master bathroom, tignan natin yung balcony. Yan, so makikita nyo sa balcony is yung golf course. So kung mahilig kayo mag-golf and you're tiring, this is the perfect place to do it. And kung gusto nyo tumira dito sa Antipolo, napakaganda tumira dito. And ang ganda ng view talaga ng Sun Valley. So maraming puno, daming halaman. So, ang ganda ng hangin kasi maraming ang puno. Okay? So, sarado lang natin. So, tingnan naman natin yung ating master bathroom. For our master bathroom, malaki yung space niya for our master bathroom. And then, floor to ceiling din yung ating tiles, and then high ceiling din, and complete water fixtures, rainfall shower na made of aluminium, and then may partition na tayo dito, obviously para hindi pumunta yung tubig sa other side. And then may tissue rack, bidet, sink, and mirror. Yan. So we're done here with this level. Tingnan naman natin yung sa baba, kung ano ba yung meron dun. So baka curious kayo. Okay, again, so comment down below what do you think of this property. Personally, sobrang gusto ko tong property na to. Kasi very private, tas ang dami. So, ang ganda ng view ng yung mountain dito and yung subdivision mismo. Okay. So, ito yung ating staircase leading to our second level. So, tignan natin what it looks like. So, this is our second level. And this is actually a very big 54 square meter space. So kung meron kayo mga family gatherings, sobrang laki ng space na to. So, pwede nyo rin actually gawin tong kwarto if you want, pero maganda to for, yun nga, bonding with your family and friends. So, pwede kayong magtumambay dito, again, drink with your coffee, and just look at the majestic view of this mountain and nature. So, dito, meron tayong extra room. Well, actually, third bedroom natin to. Pero yung owner kasi, they made it to their parang art room. Yan. So, lahat ng mga nakakabit yung ating fixtures kasama na siya. So, yung aircon, obviously yung ating lighting fixtures kasama na siya. And then we have a very big parang table dito, built-in table na with very lots of cabinets and drawers. And then, pwede nyo lagay dito yung bed nyo. Or pwede nyo rin siguro ilipat to. Yan. So, depende sa gusto nyo layout. Pero this one, meron din siya kasamang bathroom. And actually, parang kapareho na lang niya yung design with the other bedrooms. For floor to ceiling with tiles, and then high ceiling, and then complete water fixtures. Bidet kasama yon, very important. And then, same rainfall shower fixture materials nung sa kanina. Okay, so, hindi pa tayo tapos. May titignan pa tayo, which is the service area, the maid's room. So, yung ating maid's room, meron siyang sarili niyang bathroom. So, maganda yon kasi hindi na siya makikishare. Again, don't mind na lang yung dogs kasi para sila yung ating caretaker for this house. So, this is the maid's bathroom. It's a very big space, so pasok natin para makita nyo in perspective kung gaano kalaki to. So, yun, medyo maliit ako pero sobrang taas talaga ng ceiling for a maid's bathroom. So, actually, this size is parang usual na size for the regular houses na nakita natin. So, ganun siya kalaki. And then, beside this room is the maid's room mismo. Pero, wala si caretaker pala. So, kasya dito, single size bed. Sorry na lang sa kalat kasi may caretaker. Pero yun, para makita niya yung perspective kung gaano kalaki yung kwarto. Okay, so beside this one, we have our service area. Meron pa tayong papakita which is kasama sa labas ng bahay. So, nabanggit ko before na may malaking landscape garden na kapalibot dito sa bahay. And if you want to live in a place na pwede kayong maglakad-lakad or yung mga pets nyo or children nyo, this is a nice option to see. Kasi meron kang, ayun nga, parang rolling slope siya. May sloping yung landscape garden natin. Tapos may kasama na siyang kubo. So kung mahilig kayo sa ganitong style, I think meron ako isang ginawang video na ganito and maraming nag-praise ng video na yun. Yeah, so meron tayong kubo dito if you want to stay or mag-relax lang dyan. Maganda rin yung gawin dyan. Kunwari mag-inuman kayo with friends, you can do that. And yung ating bahay pala is may provision na siya for a third level. So if you want to create a roof deck para mas makita nyo pa yung view ng bahay, you can do that. So this is actually a very well-maintained property. Yung owner is, meron kasi sila ibang properties kaya parang weekends lang silang pumupunta dito. May access din pala tayo dito on this side to go to our kitchen. So tignan natin itong kubo. So kitang-kita nyo naman dahil 989 lot area, ang laki ng space nyo. So usually mga bahay ngayon, 'di ba, parang mga 150 na lang ganyan. So parang ilang katumbas na bahay to yung ating lot area. Okay. So this is our kubo. A very nice place to hang out. Parang feeling mo nasa Tagaytay ka, ganun. And malamig din dito obviously kasi very highly elevated yung ating location sa Sun Valley Estates. Okay, so that's actually it for this video. Comment down below what do you think of this property, ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo. And if you want to schedule for booking, just contact the details in the description box down below. Pati yung payment terms, prices, and other details na hindi ko na-discuss with this video. Okay, so that's it. My name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a nice day. And I'll see you in my next real estate video. Keep safe. Bye-bye.